5 feet cable length. Perfect for office, car, bedroom, more. Faster charging. Charge your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes by pairing this cable with an 18W or higher power delivery charger. Charger not included. Ultra-durable nylon braided design. Bend-tested design to last charger after charge. MFI certified. Charge sync compatibility with all iOS devices. Designed to work flawlessly with all Lightning devices. Experience ultimate freedom and flexibility with the Realm Charge and Sync USB-C cable with Lightning connector. The ultra-durable braided design and reinforced connectors are built to last, and the 5 feet length ensures you'll never have to feel confined to an outlet or USB port ever again. This cable is ideal for extended range use in the office, bedroom, car and more. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Super durable and works great. I have a lot of USB-C ports, and nothing to use with them. This cord works amazingly, and really durable. I always choose the braided design because they tend to last much longer. I take this one with me to work, and have never had an issue with charging speeds or audio playback and connectivity, and it's a huge plus that it's much longer than my normal Lightning cables. Definitely worth the $.